Let us see how actually the simple analysis works in the market. Just trend line, support, resistance, channel, that's it, nothing else. As we can see, 950 was acting as a support for the Nifty. Price came up to this point and rejected heavily. This is the third time and a small rejection. Fourth time it came to 950 point and again a very small rejection is there. After this rejection, a built up can be seen at this level. I can draw it here. Just see this built up. A built up is there, and finally price break out this resistance level. So the point is how we will understand this, that market is going to for breakout or rejection. There are two important points. The first is, if the market is testing same level more times, then it means the level will become weaker. First time, just see, first time, second, third and fourth and finally fifth time it breaks this level. The second clue is, it is very subtle, and as a price action trader you need to observe this point also. First time it got rejected heavily, second time a smaller rejection compared to this move, and the third time very small rejection. So it is showing that selling pressure is reduced comparatively. The third clue is, just look at this, here is the built up just near the resistance. It means sellers are trying to push the price down, but buyers are so heavy that they are not letting the price go down. Okay, so a built up was highly likely. I entered at this candle, and the same thing was informed in my Telegram channel. You can go and join there. I'm a purely price action trader. If you want to see further analysis, you can follow me on Instagram page and join my Telegram channel also. Okay, so what next? After this breakout, it should go like a rocket, but there was no move like that. Why? There is a psychological point. The market was in continuous downtrend, and it broke a small resistance just 5 minutes in a just 5-minute candle. So this resistance was not that important for daily time frame, so it is behaving in 5 minutes only. Just pay attention to this bull flag. Those who could not enter at this point could have entered at this candle and gain some decent bucks. About 70 points move was there from 1100 to 1175. Just look at this analysis, what I have done extra. Just resistance, channel, built up, that's it. If you want to earn big in the market, start focusing on these small things, and you will see how your trading is going to improve in the next 6 months, 1 year, whatever time you will take. If you like my analysis, just hit the like button and follow me for the further analysis like this. Thanks for watching.